perfect blend of live entertainment, shopping, educational venues, food, livestock, and competition. It's the 69th staging of the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial, and Food Show, held under the theme Grow Smart, Eat Smart. This is day 3, the final day, and thousands of patrons flooded the Denbigh showgrounds in Maypen, Clarendon. Demoya's Delight cooled down the crowd with their delicious ice cream, frozen novelties, milkshakes, and smoothies. Fabian, of course, sampled the ice cream and confirmed without a doubt that Demoya's Delight has the best ice cream in Jamaica. The Forestry department had a wide array of plants for sale, as well as brochures providing tips regarding care of plants. And for those who don't know, Fabian is obsessed with plants, and he bought quite a few here. The staff were kind enough to give him some additional plants as well as a souvenir. Proud farmers came out with their most prized animals: goats, sheep, cows, and chickens. Some of the most beautiful I've ever seen. Everywhere you turn, there was something to do. You couldn't possibly get bored. Those who were brave enough could take a picture with the snake around their necks. The kids' village was a fun wonderland for all the children in attendance. So many rides, toys, sweet treats, snacks, while the parents' pockets feel the burn. Food like sun. Literally, every few feet is a next jerk pan with some hot, delicious goodness inside. Pepper shrimp, soup, boiled corn, just to name a few. Thirsty? No worries. Visit one of the many booths or simply buy from someone passing by. 3 days is simply not enough for this great event. For those who weren't able to attend, just get comfortable right now, because this is your chance to experience Denbigh Show, Jamaica walk-by style.
Please, may I ask you right now if you just drop a like right there. So drop 2 comments now, man. If I have an emoji, may I ask you. You don't know, let go some emoji in the comment. You can comment 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times if you feel like. 100 times if you feel like comment. Just drop a comment. You know it's a natural video, so we not go cut. We just go walk through. We just go show you everything what go on. We just go video everybody. We just go show you all of what go on. Just like a cane on the street side, right? That's so. And a big pot of soap. A soap in them, J. Mad thing, man. Mad love, mad respect. So we outside at Denbigh. So we're actually on the outskirts and we're gonna walk to the gate and enter. Massive, I don't go in there yet. I have the ticket in my pocket, so I'm going to show you exactly how the procedure thing go and what go on. Parking galore, as I say in the intro, Lexus enough things, watch I say, me just find a $10 on the ground, and you know me now I'm passing, you know, because you know me stay already, you know. Thank you very much, anybody who drop it. Yeah, so we outside. Yeah. Every make a muckly, you know a thing go. Back at the video, you know. So right now we are going through. I say we're on the outside, this is just a fence side on the front of Denbigh. You understand? Food, everything galore on the outside. A bunch of things are going on. You don't know. Fried chicken over there, general, then I'm home kitchen. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, what you say? Yeah, definitely, man. They have a pay on if you go on a promotion too. Alright, sir. Alright, now go on here. Big up on yourself. Say that again. Oh, somebody business, so that one look like no good. Eh? Yeah, but you may not have the money for give person, for give them own promotion. Me just walk, you see me? Yeah. Because you don't understand, millions of people are going to watch. So if me have to go really pay somebody to promote themselves for them thing, it don't make no sense. It's Jamaica walk by. We're going to cover Denbigh and the entire happenings that is going on today. You see me? You're going to be on the Instagram and the YouTube platform. Jamaica walk by on all platforms. Yeah, big up yourself. Eh? I'm not sure, I'm going to find out. No man, because I don't really want to see. I don't want to see him, my friend. People and happenings, not just him. Yeah. Him is the least of important right now. I don't want to really have a video to see Prime Minister. I have video of people and want to go on. Yeah. Boy, I love how that party look. Watch a massive, no joke. You can't them say, see me and come eat me taste good. Big up every time, my friend. Bossa, you can have a cup of me see a little bit. Watch what go on a massive. Whoa, watch the smell. Nice! Yeah, so we outside. No joke. I mute the microphone. I mute it because of copyright. Okay? Yeah. So I say parking galore on each side. You understand? So we walk actually go to where now you can get your tickets to purchase and stuff like that. Purchase a ticket when you come to Denbigh. You're gonna find these bus parked right here on the corner here. Mark ticket, and you come and purchase a ticket. It's only $1,500 for persons above the age of 12, and persons under the age of 12 is free. See? So yeah, all babies are free, and everybody over the age of 12 is $1,500 for the entire day. You have to pay again. If you're going to come all the days, you have to keep paying every day you get here. The ticket only lasts for a day. See? Alright, massive. So, down the side there too again, another bus, I sell ticket. Alright. So, I'm not going to walk back outside here, so let me just walk down this side to let you see exactly what down this side look like outside of Denbigh before we go on the inside. See? Yeah. So the ladies them roll out. You don't know, you know everything. So right here is another ticket bus that you can get tickets to purchase. Yeah. And down here is actually always been the main gate. See? The Jamaica Agricultural Society. No joke. Yeah. That is it. So massive, the event is rampacked. I kid you not. See? Look down the road now, man. So right where the event is actually keeping is one way. So you only go in one direction. So it's best you actually enter to come the event from the Denbigh High School Road. Yeah. Alright, massive. So right about now, let's go over. Alright. So I have my ticket in my pocket. Let me just enter here. So Judge, I know. I can't go in free. But me tell you say you can't busy, man. Trust me. Them not answer you.
No, you don't answer.
How we are say? I'm gonna link you back. Why me not have that the machine there from winning a dog? So every amount of people when me call I tell them say, yo, me not have it. No. See this a holiday dog. Then gone that gone from them time the brother. I kid you not. Yeah, cause they want if you all of them a week and sit. Me I tell you, I swear to you, gone long time. Yeah, massive. Say no rolling, that's at the main entrance. Yeah. That's a reason with the virgin where they do want a car for rent. You know? Yeah, so massively on the inside. No joke. Yeah. So let me tell you this one now. I'm not going to interview everybody. But just I go walk through who me can talk to. Me talk to Zane. Yeah. Alright, so this is the art truss. So the first stop is going to be the art truss. First stop, art truss. Big up me G. That's it.
Having trouble paying your NHT mortgage due to job loss or other difficulty? Call the NHT and take control of your
So massive, we just a walk through, we just a capture everything what go on. There's so many tents, so many booths. We can't, I'm going to all of them, but trust me, even if we go in all of these booths and things, we're not done the video until next year. Rather keeping again. Massive, we're just gonna do Denbigh like you're here walking with me. I enjoy the lookings and everything, you know. Yeah. So bear with me if you hear the mic go mute, turn it off because of copyright. That's fine. Good. So I say massive, if I hear me mute the mic, music I play and I can't deal with the copyright. See? Right. So we are go, top up. Yeah. General. Big up yourself. You mind if me talk to you for a bit? Mind care to talk to me and tell me a little bit of what is going on in here? Hold on 1 second. Let me just gas up the mic. Alright, you can finish talk to the gentleman man, and then when you finish, mate, we can talk.
Okay, so normally the plant would need additional phytohormones that are produced naturally. So this is actually from seaweed extract. So it's a seaweed extract with fertilizer. Now what we found over time is that when you apply the product with seaweed or nutrients with seaweed, you get a better response in terms of leaf size, overall development in terms of root and biomass. So you get a bigger, healthier, more robust plant when you use Bio 20. You can use it from nursery or even during the crop production. From nursery stage, right through. Yeah, but it's fertilizer, so there's no pre-harvest interval required. No. So you spray on and basically you can always consume your product thereafter.
Time between spray, say by spraying today, when next will you?
Every 7 to 14 days as required. Yeah.
Alright, so you can just tell me like what your name, what the business is and what is happening here.
Okay, alright, sure.
Yeah, hold up the mic now to you. Yeah.
So my name is Dane Parker and we're from Caribbean Chemicals, Jamaica Limited. We supply various inputs in terms of agricultural commodities. So be it fertilizers, insecticides and fungicides. So today what I'm actually showcasing here is Bio 20, which is 20-20-20 plus seaweed extract as well as micronutrients and other essential growth hormones and elements. With a Bio 20, you have increased growth in terms of leaf size, root development and an overall vigor of your crop. So what you'll end up with at the end is sustainable growth and development using a Bio 20.
Okay. Alright. Big up for that. You know, are you on Instagram?
Yes, we are. So of course, you can always reach out to us on Instagram. We are of course at CaribChemJam, at WhatsApp 876-401-4766, or our other YouTube channel, same at CaribChemJam. And if you wish to give us a call, it's at 876-757-002224.
Alright, respect and manners. Blessings for that, alright? Blessed Lord. So massive right now, I'm there at the Myers, the light. Dennis, my brethren, take the phone and tell me a little bit of what going about the entire business and the happenings. So massive, before me, with no introduction, you don't know this is my classmate. You don't know from years and years back. You don't know the Myers, the light. Massive, me now go on here. This is actually official, the best ice cream in Jamaica. Yes, I've said it. So Dennis, tell us a little bit of what go on here and what you have.
Big up Jamaica walk by. I don't give you please apologize for the shirt. We are at Denbigh 2023 showground and the place is very, very hot. But big up Jamaica walk by. We are here with promoting our brand, the Myers Delight. The Myers Delight. This is a new business started last year. We are getting excellent feedback. They say that our ice cream is the best ice cream in Jamaica, period. We use no milk powder and we use no water in our ice cream. It's premium quality. We also have our fruitsicles, 100% fruitsicles, 100% fruits. We also do non-dairy. We also have our fruit parfait cup right there. So we are doing many things. Here at the Myers Delight also, we also have our snow cone, hot dog, popcorn, and it's a good look. We have many people coming through, checking out our brand, and they are loving it. They are loving our brand. We have a customer right here waiting, and as soon get to her, I just want to big up, see one of my favorite customers. Alright? So, big up Jamaica walk by. You can find us at Instagram at the Myers Delight, DEMOYAHS Delight, JA. You check out our products. And if you're unable to find us, you can find us in Summerfield, that's exclusive restaurant, Raymond Reed Wholesale, that is in Frankfield, or you can find us at Rock River, that's exclusive restaurant, or we are in Kingston. So for all the Kingston massive, we are now in Kingston. It's off Oxford Road, right in front of ATL, that's 5 Belmont Road in Kingston. You can find us at Footprints Cafe in Kingston. We also want to big up Chapiche JA. They are partnering with us and we are doing big things. As you can see, the customer is rolling in. We are here with the team under the heat, but the Myers Delight is doing wonderful things. Right, and we are beside our team over there, Garden Goal Cosmetics. Right, Garden Goal Cosmetics, and there's the manager right there, Miss Lindsay, and we are just a team. And we're just making it work. We're doing excellent things. Alright? God bless you. Big up Jamaica walk by.
Every time, you don't know. Then man. So massive, there you have it. That is Dennis, representative of the Myers Delight. You understand? Alright. My friend, what want to care to talk? You care to tell me a little bit of what is going on? Hold on. I would have to give. You can hold the mic until you finish with it, okay. So we can actually pick it up.
Right. You are strolling through. You look like you're fresh, just coming some big potato logo got over there. Yes, give me a second. Let me show you this one. Hi, good evening, good afternoon everyone. I'm Sadra Madonna Lindsay and I'm from Garden Gold Cosmetics, and we have hair care and skin care products here. We are everything that we have here is on sale today. This is our #1 selling oil. This is our aloe oil blend, and it is just amazing for hair growth. And it is in 22 locations island wide, along with the rest of our products. So we have, this is our conditioner, and our conditioners and all of our products are made with Leaf of Life, and we are the only brand that offers Leaf of Life in making our products. This is our shampoo, and it is made with aloe, Leaf of Life and charcoal. It will cleanse your scalp and it will help you with eczema and itching and anything like that. So guys, you can check us out on Instagram. We are there. Follow us, and just share our products. We are in stores. You can find us. Thank you ever so much. Bless up. Thank
Actually,
you.
always put the thing up on my
Yes.
Instagram platform.
Me have to go
persons
share
can
you
see.
one when you come so
Yeah,
that
man,
you can
don't worry
get
yourself, man. Everything,
need
Chris,
to get
man.
a box or so.
I'm just here to promote you guys, man. Don't worry
You know,
yourself.
say no, but we
All
still
right.
want to make sure say pretty girl get her something. So
All right. She
don't
has say, massive. She has saying that you want to make sure Lexi gets something.
Yes.
All right. So I will circle you and thing. All right.
Yes.
All right. Much love
Bless
and respect.
you.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
Oh, there's a natural color.
So we're making our way up to the other entrance, and then I'll walk another part, come down where you can get to see all the other places on my right. So I'm gonna try to do it in a style where I can catch like the two sides of the road where the persons are at on the tents like these. You know, so I'm going right back up to the entrance there. Yeah. Yeah, massive. As I said, I apologize again if I hear the mic mute. There are songs playing, and I have to cut out the copyright music. Alright? Yeah, so massive, it's all about Denbigh 2023. Yes, sir. Yo, the real spokesperson, me not see me now. You understand them same gone down the road. Say General I dip on the talkaphone. Me make you just tell me a little bit of wagwan I wanna have for the people them this year. You see me I say? You see me? So right about now massive, me make them introduce themselves and tell we wagwan. You hear that? Alright, not see a word. Take it away my boss.
First and foremost, me I say good evening. It's all about hillside. As you can see, support on the organic lemon, support on the carrot, support on the lemon, support on the ginger, support on the cocoa, support on the sweet pepper, support on the pumpkin, keep them stunted, support on the avocado, support on the sour sauce, support on the sugar pine, support on the hot pepper, support on the coconut, support on the sugar cane over here. As I walking over here, support on the natural coffee cane liquor. This is non-alcohol. The one over here, so coffee, cane and rum. The next one over here, so natural cane juice with the ginger. The next one here, lemon and coffee cane.
Mad thing. Alright. So big up yourself. If you don't know me, just want to say yo, blessings, go and do it.
Every time, hillside.
Forward come support again.
Alright.
As the man say support for all of the thing them.
Yeah,
you
man.
Understand? So on the forward from again.
Hillside.
Hillside. Which
Blue.
are hillside then?
Blue Mountain.
Oh, Blue Mountains.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that is it. So
Yeah.
massive, I don't know whether Denbigh 2023 and we just a roll through as the place get festive and we are showing exactly what go on. So big up all my massive, I don't know always, you know, what support the channel as we go actually and interview the persons them. Big up all of the hillside massive them, I don't know mountain and Blue Mountain massive, see?
Yeah, Blue
So
Mountain.
that is it. So big up every time we are pass through.
Enough
see?
respect.
Enough respect. Ah, that is it. It's Jamaica walk by again, yeah? That is it. Now play the music here till me cut, yeah? Wagwan. Jamaica walk by in the building. That is it. Who want to talk to me? Alright. Hold this my friend and just tell me a little bit of Wagwan. Quick and fast.
People, welcome to Amabi African Collection. As you know, we are all about your African stuff. If you are looking for African necklace, if you are looking for fans, this is where they are. You can come on over and find them. You know you can find me on Instagram. You can send me a WhatsApp message. I have my Instagram is AMAB_African Collections. So that's Amabi African Collection. And you know, so we lit as usual. We have a nice bags them up at top here, so we have a nice jewelry and accessories down here. We have a nice good girl bag them, so you can come in. We have headband, we have scrunchie, we have African print purse. We have the man shirt them, yeah, you know, so no one look good when not go out. See it here, so the man shirt them here. Ladies dresses and African print fabric, I don't want to leave that out, so come and check it.
Alright, blessed and respect. Mad love. You don't know, you know me now for down and come give you a link, see? That is it. Alright, big up yourself. Me I got you, see? Alright, much love. Yeah, massive. It's all about Denbigh. Yeah, no joke.
because of his title. And okay, he's the chief breeder of plants. And okay, chief breeder of plants. Alexis Sebron, the chief plant breeding officer with the Douglas Research Station, is here with me and representing the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, of course. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, Johnny. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, and I must producer here.
Yes, definitely, and I must say that it is chief plant breeding officer as we said before. So I'm very specific to that.
Yes, okay, you can come back there. You can come back. Tell me more about what you do. Borders Research Station. And you know, sometimes as Jamaicans, we see plants, we see things out there. You know, we enjoy right here at Denbigh. I see people buying their plants and enjoying it, and they're going with the suckers and so on. But we don't know the work that goes on behind the scenes. And so I'm asking you, sir, to give us an insight into what you do.
All right, let me just break it down a little bit. So we have the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, and the Research and Development Division directly falls under the ministry. So the Research and Development Division is broken up into different stations, with Bodles Research Station being the main station. We have livestock and plants at Bodles. At Montpelier Research Station, we have livestock and plants as well. Orange River now, they're a bit different. They are into fruit tree crops, and there is a station way up in St. Andrew in the hills of Top Mountain.
Yes.
They deal with exotic plants like the peaches, blackberries, raspberries and so on. And of course there is Hounslow in St. Elizabeth down there. So what we basically do is we conduct research, both plant research, plant-based research, and livestock research as well.
Why is that important? Why is it important for the research of these plants to continue here in Jamaica?
Right, and of course, remember the environment is always changing, and of course climate change is one of the major things that will not go away. So we have to adapt, we have to find those varieties that are suitable for the changing conditions out there, those climate resilient varieties. And our Honorable Minister Green spoke earlier about the new face of food.
Yes.
And the Research and Development Division falls directly under food security and climate smart technologies. And having those climate resilient plants is definitely one of the technologies.
Yes, massive. So just taking a little bit of what Johnny is over here saying, you know. Yeah, so massive, you know, we're not here for the interview. We're always here to just show exactly what is happening. Yeah. Love the outfit, my friend. Go on. Nice.
Yes, massive. Trust me, the place is rampacked and the plants are just awesome. Trust me, really, really awesome. No joking. Massive, me say the Jamaicans them roll out. So right about now we are going to go inside of the Rada building. You understand? Yeah, big up Rada every time. No joke. Other building, no joke. So definitely my favorite building in the entire place. So let's go take a look, show exactly what's happening in there. Yeah. Big up this nice beautiful lady over here. Trust me, big up every time. I'm going in there to take it away. Okay. All right. Ear to ear rather always have events and stuff inside here. You know, the hide gifts and stuff all over the place. So if you search good, you'll find something that will belong to you. You understand? So it was always fun coming inside of the Rada building. You know? Yeah. Can get even a good stagger back. Be things. So massive, I say this show is all about walking around, showing you exactly what is happening at Denbigh 2023. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much talking into this one. Just I'm gonna raise and show you what I'm going. Apologize again if you hear the mic mute. There are music playing and I can't post the copyright. Alright? So I apologize for that. So, you don't know where I go and pass through, you know? Yeah. So massive. I'm going by the animal section. I'm gonna show you the farm section of Denbigh, where the cows are at, the goat, all of them things there. In my last video, last year I didn't get to show over the farm area, so I'm gonna show you the farm area, the kiddies area, which is the kiddies village and so on. I mean, say massive, it's very big. It's an event for the entire family. So yeah, bear with me. We're going through. So massive, as I say, we're going by the livestock area. You understand? As we walk through, just like on the ear walking with me, you see me? Yeah. So we are take time walk through and I enjoy the event. As you see what go on, you don't know as the people them buy, the people them chat, them eat some food, you know, crazy movements and everything. But you know Jamaica walk by have you. And we are showing you what go on. Easily. That is it. Alright, massive. So we are enter the livestock area now.
Massive, it's kind of difficult to really talk with persons because guess what? Crazy music I play everywhere. You understand? So can't get really reason and talk with people or ask questions because you don't know the copyright thing go. It wouldn't make no sense me use. Make me do the video if we can't post it. Alright, I'm going to show the people them some cow and thing, you know. Yeah. So last year I didn't get the chance to come over this side, so I'm there today. Yeah. Yeah, my G. Oh, that's big, you know, man. Watch how me I walk in and get all a cow kick. Ooh, massive. Wow. Wow. Black, so I'll go on. They said my bro. Yeah. Loads more animals, so we're going to showcase. Well, go on. Blessed respect. See? Yeah. What I mean? Big up yourself. You know, I don't know the type of cow them, I just know say a cow and calf the boat. General man, give them a touch, man. Yeah.
It's a beauty. Yes, massive, we're moving along. It's a vibe. So right over here, you have the farm, and next door to the farm is the kiddies area. You know? So yeah. So for the kids, let's show them some animals, you know? Sorry. Oh, I wonder. Them normally have a big fan here. They normally have a big fan out at the end, a blow. How can I shoot this? Watch your bite now. Yeah, me general with the baby, make me try get her to walk fast. Massive ram goat. Why massive, I tell you, the kids are loving it. So Denbigh showground for the kids is a win-win-win-win-win.
Sorry, moving along. I look like I win inside this. So then stone here pan the railing for? Eh? Oh, something then leak. Run, you want to run? So massive, we are actually by the kiddies area. Center camera. We're gonna take a walk by the kiddies area right about now. So it's only one pen leave. Show you some can catch a sign. What is actually inside this pen here? Yeah. And then we're gonna go by the kiddies area. See, we're naked. So massive. I think the most rampacked area now is the kiddies area. Yo, what my boy? You there, Rich? You see outside with the fam? That is it, man. I'm there on the work.
Right, time for this. Ready picture.
What's up? Tati, wagwan. Say that again. Oh, come here, say, shall make people them hear you. So then no say I know me, I you say so. How is this, Lexi? Lexi here to give us a little take of the happening so far.
Thankfully today is not as hot as yesterday, but the crowd is probably 3 times as thick as it was yesterday. Good vibes. We're in the kiddies village now. There are a lot of games for the kids, a lot of rides. Kylie's fussing. A lot of toys, popcorn, snow cone. Popcorn, snow cone, it's all here in the kids village. I'm really exhausted, as you can hear in my voice, but you know we have to do it for the kids.
So massive, it's like the entire Jamaica there right about now. Jamaica Walk By is actually a video. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By is a YouTube and Instagram platform. We're covering the event. Yeah. You want to big up somebody? Yes, definitely. Alright, big up anybody you want to big up, you know, and maybe tell us why you're here.
Well, yes, I'm here because I want to enjoy myself and my grandbaby, Jada, which is 12-year-old. She just want to come and enjoy herself, and she came all the while, but she didn't. So sensible. So right now, she's enjoying it to the fullest. Miss you, my daughter Shamais, and my granddaughter, Daisha. Miss you because I know you're supposed to be here, but accidentally you're not here. So big up everyone, big up everybody. God bless. Hi Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Big up every time, man. That is it. Jamaica Walk By. Them definitely are gonna see this. Alright, much love, much respect. Yeah. I'm gonna be posting it tomorrow on Jamaica Walk By. She definitely are gonna remember. Yeah, you're gonna can see it on YouTube.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Oh man, this a line along. Which line this? Oh, for ticket for the ride. Okay. So massive, when you come over the kiddies here, you actually have to purchase your tickets here to go on the rides and enjoy majority of the facility over on this side. Everything there for the kids them, no joke. Nah man, him have you already. You're good. No, it's a YouTube. If you score, you will get a prize, but if you don't score, you still can pick up something over here. How cool is that? Moving along. massive, massive event. You understand? We probably just cover like maybe about half and quarter. No joke. So we are head to the coconut village now. Coconut Industry Board. So them call over here so the Coconut Village. Yeah. Wow. Massive, you don't know before the copyright even pick up. The lady says she watch the channel, you don't know. Big up on my older but Massive. She there with her granddaughter. Big up on herself, you see me? Mad love, mad respect always. See? That is it. You don't know, big up yourself. My long time people, them my classmate, everything. Big up yourself every time. Watch out around the outside. Are you son that? That is it, how you mean? Yeah, we outside. Big up yourself. Good to see you again, yeah? That is it. My there, my friend. Go on easy. I want to get.
All right.
Or watch it. No, it goes the next year. Come on, you watch it. Come on, do one or so. Come on, so do two. Go on, so do three. Come back on, so do four. Come on, somebody go watch this one. Who wants somebody else? Alright, him say I'm go. Him say I'm go watch. She. Say I'm go watch him. Who wanna watch this young man? Who wants somebody else say? Alright, come nearer, man. Boy, you will come nearer us. Good.
So yeah, that was a push-up contest. Push-up contest, you don't know. Just catch a little bit of wagwan, but the music is playing, so you can't use all right, you understand? But we still a walk out, we still a show wagwan. See? Still, stay tuned.
Gentlemen here.
Yeah man, that is it. Thing. We're there, man, outside. Seeing. Nice.
Jamaica Private Pool. He's looking for you, of course.
Nacho's mother, Misty. Thank you. Your son is looking for you. And he's at the Jamaica Private Table.
Blessed love, blessed respect.
Like Nacho's at the Jamaica Private Table. And he's looking for his mother, of course. But welcome to the Jamaica Private Table. We are here. We are outside. Alright?
I think.
Welcome to the Jamaica Private Table. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. We are outside. We're absolutely nice. Please all those who are children. Please come on around. And of course, if you can agricultural showgrounds, and if it's
Massive, it's all fun, trust me. Enough walking, so we've been walking here for 2 hours. So we're a little bit over 2 hours walking, just exploring, and I enjoy myself. Crazy, it's awesome. Loads are happening. Alright, let me help myself to a water. Yeah, my Jim, I can't get one water. More I want a water, one when not too cool. I'm around, I run the juice there, my Jim. I beg you one water, the one when not too cool. Oh, jerky till it done. Yeah, why can't I interview you already on Jamaica walk by? I wish I see her there, you say jerky till it done. Which are the normally base? Canaanites. Cause me know me interview that sound when I say jerky till it done. You see me? Alright. Oh, 150. Alright. Say that again, my G. Oh, it's a new political party. See the Up Jamaica movement of the people. Yeah, UP. That is it. Big up every time and respect. As a matter of fact, you want to say something?
Absolutely.
Alright, so take the talkerphone here. I will tell you when to start. Alright, massive. Say that, wait, say one them catch? Yeah, man, video them already, man. You know my style already. When time your sister me a video, me done video already. Alright, so watch me now, massive. We're there with somebody important and thing. He's going to explain to you who he is and what is happening and what he's doing here too as well. Saying, massive, he need an introduction. Take it away.
Well, you mentioned I'm important. We are all important in the struggle. Right now we are Up Jamaica movement to the people. We are about representing the people and not party interests. We do not believe in presenting candidates to constituencies. We believe that constituencies should present candidates to us. We also believe in a direct elected president, elected Senate, and elected DPP. We do not believe in the collusion of JLP, PMP versus Jamaican people. We do not believe in the 200% raise them give themselves while potholes and nurses and police are not being taken care of. So this is a new movement, but we're not new to it. We've been here for almost 15 years. We were responsible for putting sprinklers on the mud lake. When before Parliament, forcing the backside communists to put sprinklers on the mud lake. We're in the struggle, we not give up. We not give up. And Jamaicans need to join us for a new way of life. If not now, when and by whom? See? So that we are dealing with. Yeah, man, respect.
So massive, you heard it. You understand? So I'm actually tell you everything what's happening about the movement and how long them actually been around. You're gonna see this video on Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. I'm gonna try and release it tomorrow.
Jamaica Walk By?
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, man.
See? Blessed love. I don't have any card right now, then finish.
Finish. It's Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Artist too, you know.
You're an artist too.
Yeah,
You can give me your card. I will link you up. See?
This is my work, bro.
All right. Cool.
Hold on, the last one, but send me a link on this, yes, sir.
All right then. We'll show you. All right. Cool. Yeah. So there you have it, the up movement. You understand? Oh, you know, so I pay for my water, but I don't take it. I'm go for my water. Yo! Jerk it till it's done, you know, so I pay for your water and I take it. Let me say, pull it to me, pull it. Alright, I'm going to drink off a whole light, you know. Alright. Yeah, my bro, what go on? You're there on camera now, yeah? You did, you say I go and do there, so. How are that? Are you? What go on, my bro? Yeah, want to jerk it till it's done. We're outside. But massive, we're not done yet. We're still walking. No joke. Yeah, man. I'm a foreigner, them I know so I feel it, you know. You can't hungry and you run the food. Or if you're hungry and you run the food. Can't hungry and you run the food. Watch it. That is it. Pretty for true, you know. No, they not see a word from her. Big up every time. vegetarian food area. Last year I did try them food and I tell you say them did shot. Really shot. That is it. Outside. Yeah, so I tried a vegetarian spot here last year and I tell you say it was well worth it. So it's good to see them back in the building and another year. You understand? Me not try sample the food them this year or this time around. But I don't know. Soon as the video close, I come and check them out again. See fire out here, sir. I make some slippers and bead chain and bead things. You understand? It's just a good time. You understand? See Rasta colors, everything. Your Jamaican colors too as well. Yeah. Ital food. Look at Jamaicans are go well in the Ital food because watch you. See shop ram no man. Look no man. See shop ramming up. Look no man. See mama come out in our yellow, our green and our black. But you know our yellow gold we call it still. But you know the thing go. See one walk by, no joke. What you mean? We outside. You see want a picture? Hold on. You know the camera not have rolling in us, so come in. One picture now kill. Blessed love. What you mean? You don't get it? I big up yourself. Much love here. Where? How we are say? I see you say that's how they cost every time they say you walk by. You just go all that place and I make you done the money, you know. I make you miss some place so I never been. How long we there in Jamaica, eh? Elbow Bungster, man. Massive. See them. What's your name? Let me give you a big up and a big shout out. Hold on then now. May I make you big up your whole family and some friends. See? Hold on to this. May I record right now. You don't know Jamaica walk by go, we don't cut out nothing. You see me? Alright, so watch me now. You're up and running. So send a big up, big up Bobby over here, you know the thing go. And what about your actual happenings and your love at Denbigh?
Okay, we came here last week Thursday. So yeah, I wanted to come to the independence celebration. I have my husband with me, my son, my stepdaughter. Come in. Come and say hi. And my daughter here. Yeah, it will be my birthday next week, so that's one of the things that I wanted to celebrate on the trip.
Yeah, that's on which day next week?
The 15th of August.
So she born the 15th of August, massive. So happy birthday when it comes, you don't know.
Yes, alright, thank you.
Big up every time. Where are you traveling from?
Oh, we're from Antigua.
Oh, from Antigua. Big up all Antigua massive now, man. How you mean? Blessed love, blessed respect. Yeah, me general. So what you say? I and him there go and roll on the entire family. How you love it down by Denbigh so far?
It's good. We got here about 2 hours ago. We had some fish. What else we had?
Vegetarian food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, no joke. We talk to them about a vegetarian spot here.
Yeah.
No joke. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, big up every time. Thank you for watching Jamaica Walk By. Much love and respect always here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Respect. Massive car park, massive, no joke. Crazy amount of vehicle. Very big parking lot. People park everywhere down by Denbigh. Roadside parking lot, private parking lot, everywhere. Place is ram-packed. But don't get me wrong, the place is ram-packed and this place is massive. So we're walking for over 2 hours. And there are a lot of places that I still haven't even scraped yet. But we just walk through and see walk on, you know, as we go. And I could take it through here, so look a bit, see if we can show some more stuff. Denbigh it is. Buck up in Alexi again. Where are you heading now? The food spot over there? Yeah, around there, sir. We probably walk that side too. Now come. We can walk out on the road, but we just want to catch through here so a little bit. Alright, the food spot, we could go by the food spot. Oh. You hear that massive? Alright, so see our next restaurant up that side there. But the one where we did want support, let me see if here's a black up. Alright, we can walk here. So. Over next side. No, because when I go with God.
We're going on the other side where the field is, where the stage show will be keeping. Yeah, a lot of stuff over by that side too as well. So we're just gonna go right down here, then we're gonna take the right and head across the actual village. Yeah. Alright, let's take this right turn here and go across again.
Okay.
Where animals are recovered, and because no reports were made, the police don't know who those animals belong to.
Can you register your animals? Is there a way of ensuring that you can identify?
Generally, the registration system that we have in Jamaica is with the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. And so whether you are a livestock or crop farmer, that is the entity that registers farmers. The Veterinary Service Division has a program called the National
We're outside, you know?
To carrot, trading and installation. When it comes onto your tiles, your countertops, your facets, your kidsets, your marble. Carrot, trading and installation is where you go. You can go to this 3 4 That's 3 4 4
Oh yeah, palm trees.
Alright, so Massive, there's no way I could have did the full tour for Denbigh and not come to this spot right here. You understand? Yesterday I was here, Massive. Let me give you a joke. So yesterday I was there and I came to buy a few palm and so on and so forth. And they were so kind enough after I post their pictures and stuff on Instagram to give me a souvenir and a few gift plants. Right? So this is the spot right here. So it's Forestry Department on Instagram. This is the nice, kind, beautiful ladies here. Most of you will see me with the picture with her. So I could not have done the full tour and not showcase this spot. Alright, so the Forestry Department, I'm gonna ask you to tell me a little bit of what you have here, what went on here, give out the Instagram page too as well, and if there's any number persons want to contact you and get in plans to purchase, everything that you think the Massive will need to know. Take it away.
Okay, good afternoon. So the Forestry Department is the agency, the government agency responsible for the conservation and protection of forests in Jamaica. As part of that mandate, we promote tree planting, widespread tree planting across the island. And so today, or over the last 3 days, we've been showcasing and providing trees to the public for planting. We had a select number that were free. Most of them are done, so those of you who haven't come to Denbigh yet, or you're here but you haven't come to our booth yet, hurry and come. They're almost done. We have only 2 species left, Honduran mahogany, which is a timber seedling. This is the Honduran mahogany. which is a timber seedling, and as you can see, it's only a few. And we also have wild tamarind, which is an ornamental, which will give you shade and also attract a lot of birds. So if you want something to increase the bird population at home, you can get some free ones from us. In addition to those, though, we do have some on sale.
Can those be planted in a pot?
No.
They have to
we
really
wouldn't
plant-
recommend. We'd prefer you plant it in the ground
Or
because
grow
they
fast.
Yeah, and they will get a bit big because it's a shade tree.
Okay.
Right, but if you have challenges with space at home, we do have some potted trees. So if you are living in an apartment but you want to have trees, we have like the Suriname cherry. We have a variegated version of the blue maho called variegated maho. We have the Arela Ming, which is a great house plant. Norfolk pine, island pine, sorry. We have our local cherry, so if you want fruit trees as well, we have them in pots for you. Fruit fig, right here.
Oh, that's a fruit fig.
Right, we have dragon blood, the red leaf, right
Oh.
there. And then over here we have another selection of some timber like cedar, blue maho, we have sea grape, Washington fan palm, as well as Christmas palms. And of course, if you need hedging, we have Duranto purple, which is these with the purple flowers, which is a sister to the Duranto gold, which we also have right out here.
Okay, nice.
So
That's
they're going
that kind of yellow green one there.
right.
Yeah.
Right. But so we hope you can make it and you will come quickly and get what you can. If you are not able to do so, you can visit our nurseries. We have a nursery in Kingston at 173 Constant Spring Road. That's right beside the Constant Spring Tax Office. We also have one in Williamsfield in Manchester and another in Monique St. Anne. We also encourage you to follow us on socials so you can get updates on when we have species in stock. So you can find us on Instagram at Forestry Department. Very quick and easy, at Forestry Department. And you can also, we're also on Facebook and Twitter if with the same name, if those are the platforms that you use. So we encourage you, come on down, get what you can before the show ends.
All right, big up yourself, respect, and thank you so much for yesterday. I haven't put mine in the pots and stuff as yet. And Massive, she gave me a nice souvenir. I actually put my chains and watch and stuff like that in there. So it's right on my editing station.
Nice.
So thank you so much for that. So Massive, the Forestry Department, check them out on Instagram. I'm asking you to follow them to get update on stuff that they have and want to showcase and even to give away as well. So blessed love to you all from the Forestry Department. What's your name again?
I am Francine Black Richards and I am the PR manager.
Wonderful job. I'm loving this lady. I'm so polite. I like persons who, take the time out to showcase and understand how promotion is important. So big up every time. Thank you so much. One love, elbow bunks. That is it.
Yeah, man. Thanks for stopping by.
Anytime. All right.
So the Prime Minister is actually in the building over on this side. So we're gonna try see if we can get a few of those highlights from the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, aka Bro God.
A large part of our media last year is also a socio-cultural element involved. It's now becoming known as an unspoken part of our culture, accepting it. And I think that is another area that we need to address. We must respect the efforts of our farmers. So, ladies and gentlemen, I did not come here to preach, but to set some context. The Minister of Agriculture has been tasked with coming up with a viable solution to this issue of predial last year. There was already legislation in place for a special police force, agricultural police force, and the Minister has been tasked with getting that legislation operational. I remember when former Minister J.C. Hutchinson talked about the chip. It was ridiculed because 5 or 6 years ago, the technology may have seemed far off. Right now, the technology is a consumer technology, quite robust and well proven. Almost anyone can buy an ear-tag, which is the Apple version of microchip tracking. So it is quite feasible that we can tag our animals, geofence them, and properly track them. We are working with the technology providers to work out a solution that can be easily deployed and afforded by our farmers. We must conquer this business of predial lasting. A part of feeding ourselves, of putting food on our own table, is that we must be able to do this whether we have a drought, whether we have a hurricane, whether the price of commodities are going up around the world. There is a war thousands of miles away from us. It is affecting the supply of grain, and it means that food prices in Jamaica, where we have nothing to do with the war in the Ukraine, but Jamaican consumers are going to be affected when the price of wheat goes up. But we have so many alternatives that we could grow here that you wouldn't even know the difference whether or not it is wheat flour or cassava flour. How do we get our production up to the level where we are not reliant on imports from overseas, so that when we have external shocks, we are not impacted? Jamaica has about 200,000 hectares of land that we consider arable, meaning land that we can farm. We only need to farm about 100,000 of that in order to produce sufficiently all the staples that we need, all the protein that we need, all the vegetables and fruits that we need. 200,000 acres, if we farm 50% of that, we're in a good place because we could export for the population that we have. Jamaica could supply all the food need for the tourism industry in the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, Cayman Islands. They are just 1 hour away from us. We just need a shipping barge, and every week we can be sending stuff back and forth, back and forth. The land is right here. What is holding us back? There are several factors holding us back. One factor is that of that 200,000 arable land that we have, currently we are only farming about 31,000 hectares that is irrigated. So the provision of reliable irrigation, water, to those acreages is a big challenge. So we have about 15% of our total arable land irrigated. This is, you know, after 61 years of independence. So if we're serious about expanding agricultural output, investments have to be made in agricultural infrastructure, particularly irrigation. So I'm pleased to say today that we have the Essex Valley and the Southern Plains irrigation projects which are ongoing. And those two projects will bring about 5,200 hectares of land under irrigation. That will move us up to about 18% of our arable land irrigated. But that is just a baby step to where we need to be. But the government is committed. So we are now going to do the Pedro Plains irrigation project. So we have done the Southern Plains, Essex Valley is being done. The next one is going to be the Pedro Plains. And that is going to move us steadily towards our goal of irrigating our arable lands. Another important element of truly realizing our independence in agriculture is to bring to bear not just the farmer, but we need another personality in agriculture, and that is the entrepreneur. It's one thing to plant the seed. It's another thing to market it. It's another thing to find the capital to invest in it. It's another thing to bring the technology to bear. And the person who does that.
So massive, you know, just checking out a little bit of the Prime Minister's speech. And you know, we're not going to stay one
the
place.
Entrepreneur don't have to be two different persons.
We're trying to catch everything.
We can train our farmers to become entrepreneurs, and we can train our entrepreneurs to become farmers. But the Jamaican culture, when it comes to business, is that everybody wants to own it. Everybody wants to be farmer, accountant, entrepreneur, technician, when what we really need to do is form corporations. We need to work together to build.
So massive, big up every time. Go stay tuned and watch the entire video by Denbigh. I think that's it for me. Find my family, you know, and you know, get some food to eat and get some stuff to drink and beer things. So big up every time to everybody who stay tuned and watch a video here. If you watch the video thus far and you're not yet like, please may I ask if you like the video. Please may I ask if you just subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You understand, it's been a great day. You understand, the show is not done yet because tonight is going to be the reggae night. Last night was the gospel concert night. So big up to everybody who stay tuned. You don't know, it's been a great day again. You know, another epic Denbigh showground. Much love, much respect. Oh gosh, the feeling is so great to be up over 70,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. So massive, please, I'm asking, if you're not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. To subscribe is free and easy. All you need is an email address to sign into YouTube and to subscribe to the channel. You see me? So it is that easy. That easy. So
Yes, massive, we're outside. Big up, more love. Thanks to all who stay tuned and watch. You know, we don't really talk to much people this time around. This is more to show you exactly what is happening. That way I can actually get to cover more grounds. So big up every time. This has been Denbigh. Yo, Jano, much respect, more love. We're signing out. Denbigh, Jamaica walk by. We outside, mad love.
Glory be to the Almighty. I want to pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies are after me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. As long